Now, this little project is very quick, very simple to make. It's very easy and also looks really nice. So you can decorate it any which way you want. We're gonna make, using clothespins, some stars, but you can decorate these any which way you want, make anything out of them that you like. So for this project you'll need some clothespins, actually 8 of them, and then some things to decorate the stars. I found these little snowflakes, little stars at the family tree. Use some paint if you like to decorate them, some glitter, and then your paintbrush, and very important, a glue gun, hot glue gun. I start by separating the clothespins. So to do that, you just twist them and then remove the spring. Now, don't forget to preheat your glue gun. So at this point, we will glue the little tabs back to back, just like this, 2 by 2. And that's where the glue gun comes in very handy, because it's very quick. So we just spread that some glue all along the stick, push them together, line them up together, give a little bit of pressure, and that's it. And we repeat this another 7 times. Okay. One item of caution: everything here at my tabletop, everything is plastic, so working with a hot glue gun, it can be dangerous, so be very careful. So that's why I have my little work surface here. I'm gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna start shaping our star. So we'll do 4 at the time. Like that. So we're gonna glue them together. See how these angles are just the right, they're if you put two elements together, you get a nice right angle. So we're gonna start by gluing these corners together. And we'll assemble them on the table. So again, we get the right nice right angle here. And this hardens fairly quickly, so we can start moving these shapes. Now we're going to glue the 2 halves together. That's why I like hot glue, because it hardens very quickly. All right, so now we're gonna wedge in the other 4 elements like this. And again, notice that because of the angle here, they fit very nicely right in the corners. And here's our star. All right, see how quickly this dried and how quickly we made this star? So now it's entirely up to you how you want to decorate it. So I found these little snowflakes. I'm gonna glue one to the center there. So I'm gonna center it quite nicely. Hold it down for a few seconds. And there you go. So isn't this pretty? So we can now add some decorations. I like to use these, I found these stars, so I thought they would look nice. They would make like a nice, at this point, nice Christmas decoration, a tree decoration, something like that. So again, a little dab of glue. So you may decorate this now any which way. You can paint them, or here's what I did. I painted this one red and green. I'm gonna use also some glitter on this one, just to show you how to use glitter. The glitter comes in a little tube here, like this. This is more like a glue. But, so just like with paint, you put a little dab of the glitter, and then you use a paintbrush to spread it, to use it. Now you have to be very careful because you know that glitter sticks to everything. You'll find glitter on your fingers, on your clothes, on everything on the table for days or weeks. So just dab some. This is mainly glue, but as it dries, you'll see this all shiny. I'm just gonna show this just on my little center here. I don't know if you can see in the light the glitter shining. So you let this dry. At this point, the glitter takes longer to dry than the acrylic paint. So let it dry for an hour or two, and then you can use it. So this is pretty much it. What I've done also, I have a passion for clocks. So I bought a clock mechanism at Michael's, or you find it on Amazon. They're not expensive. And so I attached the mechanism and made a little clock out of it. So it's entirely up to your imagination. Another use for this, if you don't want to decorate it, you can use it as a trivet. But just one word of caution: if you do use it as a trivet, don't use hot glue, because if you put something hot on it, the glue will soften and things will come apart. So I usually recommend in that case just to use Elmer's glue, white glue, or wood glue. I hope that you'll have fun with this project, which is quick, very easy and open to your imagination on how you want to decorate it or what use you want to make out of it. So have fun.